Hi, Evan. I'm gonna walk you through the Tier 3 listed part of the video migration project. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start by going to the actual spreadsheet, video tracker. You're going to apply the filter in order to get just the Tier 3 videos up, so Tier 3 listed. And you can go here under group, just make sure pretty much that everything is unchecked except tier 3 listed over here. Hit OK, and then you should get all the videos listed here. I've done a number of them already, and you can go and you can kind of see where I'm at by scrolling out to like this area over here. Pretty much if there is an X under flagged or an X under review ready, that means that these videos have already been done. So we can go down to the next place here. This is the next video that you need to do. Now, a quick note about flagging videos. In case there is some kind of issue, like you'll see that I already have a number of videos flagged which say that this video is already uploaded to MRU. I'm going to show you real quick what you're doing to check in order to flag a video like this. So when you first start, we're starting with the Economists in Parliament list, okay? So what you do is you click on the old YouTube download link over here, and that'll take you straight to search for the video on the YouTube channel, okay? So right now I'm logged into the Mercatus channel, and I'm searching for Economists in Parliament video, and here I see this one video over here. If you see multiple videos, then that is going to be something that I want you to flag as well, and then talk to me about that because we're going to have to proceed with those in a different way. Okay, so we have one video here on the Mercatus side. That's good. Before you move forward, though, you want to check on the MRU YouTube video channel to make sure that there's no video there. Because if there is a video here, then you want to flag it and you want to make note that this video has already been uploaded to MRU. Because then we're going to go through and we're going to address those videos differently. But in this case, you see that the video is not on the MRU channel. There is only one copy on the Mercatus channel, so you're solid. Okay, so you can go ahead and proceed. So what you do first is you go ahead and you download the video, and then you just go ahead and download it. So I've already downloaded it, and what you're going to do next is you're going to go onto the Mercatus channel, and on the MRU channel. I like to do it in a different browser so that I can keep the MRU channel open in one browser while I'm uploading. So you can go ahead and click upload, and you can select the video and start uploading it. Okay, so that's in Mercatus, and that is Economists in Parliament. Choose that video, and you're starting to upload. Okay, perfect. So you have this video uploading, and while it's uploading, I like to go through and I like to capture some information from the video. So I click on the video, and then there's a course link here. So I'm just going to pause this because I can hear the audio playing. So you can click on the link in the description of the original video, and that'll take you straight to the MRU course video page. You're going to take this URL, you're going to copy it, and you're going to bring it back to the page here, okay? And you're going to paste it right there. I've already done that here. But what you're going to do is you're going to paste the URL into this. Notice here that there are yellow highlighted cells, and there are white ones. White ones you don't touch. The yellow ones are where you have to input information, okay? So you're inputting the URL to the video page on MRU. That's mru.org. It should really be mru.com. I'll change that later. Video URL. That's what that means. Next, you're going to fill in the mru.com course URL. So to do that, you can go over here. Just click on this button. Actually, before you do that, though, check to see whether or not there are practice questions. There should be a link in this area to practice questions. In this case, there is none, so you just leave that alone. You don't even do anything there. So if there is though, you're gonna capture the URL for the practice questions, and you're gonna add that over here. There's this practice URL, practice questions URL, and so you would just paste that URL over here. But there isn't one, so don't worry about that. Now you go to the course. So click on the course, and you capture the URL for the course, and then you paste that in here, okay? And then the course name, that is this guy right here, okay? So copy that, and then go in here, and then just paste the course name in here. Paste it as the values only, so that there isn't the weird, huge font size. Video description. In this case, there doesn't look like there is a video description. I'm just going to go back to go to the video page, and it doesn't look like there is a video description for this. On the YouTube page, there wasn't one either, so we can just leave that as is. Now, you want to also add the next video in the playlist. You can just do it by copying this URL right here. Right, so this is the video that we're on right now, and this is the next video in the series. So you want to grab that URL, copy link address, and you want to paste it right over here in the next video URL. I've already done that here as well, but here we go. Just paste it, and you got that there. Okay, so there's no video description, there's no practice questions URL. The new YouTube video URL. By this time, this should have already been finished. So what you can do is you can copy the new description over to it. Now that you filled out all of these, except for these two, but you would have filled them out if they were there. Since you filled all of these out, this should already generate over here in the U column. It says new video description language. So you can click on this and just copy it. Just single click, don't double click. Single click on the cell and copy it, and then you can paste it right over here. And that will paste all of the links that you need and everything. It'll just build the whole description for you based on the things you've added into the other columns. Okay? So it also, when you paste, for some reason it adds quotation marks. So remove the quotation mark from the beginning and from the end, and then you have the description already, okay, for the video. Here, for suggested tags, you go back to the original video and see whether or not it had any kind of tags. And the way you do that is you go to edit the actual video, see the info and settings. You go here, and it looks like there were no tags at all. Sometimes I like to click on the suggested tags. So in this case, economist is a profession. That seems like it makes sense. So just go ahead, click that to add it. It's unlisted. You want to make sure, and that's good, make sure it's unlisted at this point. Go to advanced settings, uncheck notify subscribers. That's a very important step. And as soon as you have that, you're all set. Make sure that the title is fine. Sometimes if they're wacky characters, like commas or parentheses or apostrophes, colons, it'll start to add some weird characters in there. So you want to clean it up, make sure that it's like the original. You're all set. You unlisted it. You made sure that it's not notifying subscribers. At that point, you can click Done, and then you can get the new video URL, okay? So you copy that, and you go back here, and you drop it, all right, in the new YouTube video URL box. Boom. That's done. Okay, so now you pretty much filled out this entire section, except for these two, because they weren't there. And now everything else is pretty much ready. So now you can start going through this kind of flow over here. So is mru.org redirecting to the new page? Not yet, so we go to the video page. That's over here. And actually, you go, I'm not sure, oh, you can edit it from here. Click on edit. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so you go to the original page, you click on the edit tab, and then you click on the video settings tab. I just learned how to do this faster, it's even better. And then you take the old URL, the video URL, and you replace it with a new one. Okay? That redirects it to the new video on the MRU YouTube channel. So you click save after you change that, and then here this new video should now point to the MRU video instead of on the Mercatus YouTube channel. You can click on YouTube to verify that, and there it is. You're in the MRU page. So that's perfect. And as you can see, the description is correct. So then you go to the spreadsheet here again, and then you can check off that you've done the redirect. Now the end slide annotations. Okay, so that's on the new video. So there it is, there's the new video. And you go to the video, and you go straight to the edit annotations button right here under the video. You click on that, and now you're in the actual video itself, and you scroll towards the very end where the annotations actually begin. And should be, there it is, there are those annotations. And you try to find the very beginning of it, pause right at the very beginning, and click add annotation, spotlight, and you spotlight to next lesson. Okay, just cover the box. Sorry, we got the second little box there. The only box that matters is this one right here. That's the clickable box, and you want to add the link to the next. See, that's the end slide, next annotation link. So you copy that, and then you drop it right onto that annotation by clicking the link button, checkbox, and then paste the link in there, and then that does it. What you want to do with this annotation is then you want to kind of snap it to the line of where you're in the video right now, because this by default kind of starts a little bit earlier from this point, so you want to make sure that's there. And then you repeat the same process by annotating the course outline. Doing the same thing, just drag the box over this entire area. So the box is over the course outline graphic, and then you want to grab the URL for the course annotation, the end slide course annotation link. That's that one right there. And you copy it, and then you drop it right here. That's done. Hit save. And then you're done with the annotations. You would also annotate the study questions link. That if you had the Q&A, if you remember the Q&A, this video does not have a Q&A practice URL. But if you had that practice question URL here, then this link would populate and you do the same thing with that. So because this video doesn't have it, I'm not actually sure what to do. So I would go ahead and ask Roman about the study questions graphic in this end slide annotation, what to do about that, because there are no practice questions associated with this video. Another thing which I'm not doing right now, which might need to be done, I'm not sure what you guys want to do about this, is this graphic over here about tweeting about the video. So ask Brandon and Roman about this and see whether or not